Sawati say any court order a release say prosecution of all corruption cases ni nyina no. Any cases are always be crying nyina no. Oma Attorney General ena inkremu na ontu ho anamo na mebe say wo hwa ade kakra on the issues ashase enye afikra na eba. In fact, the office of the special prosecutor one of the offices na nado dan kwa kufu ado apenso a wono de bae no Ghana for ye bold na Ghana for ani je pa because ye ni gidie wo ye system nim dadaada se politicians no mbe wiaye no mbo ye krono a na omo kosa ye nse da ni independent institution adwumaku ede ne ho ankasa ebe ko ketase se predream kankan enti OSP office ne bae no ye say ebeboa ma prevent number 1 a prevent corruption na afensu corruption related offenses ni nyina no etumi ahwe na edi ho dwuma na afei asset tracing je fato so ma me the core worker OSP no ebeye no OSP ne work no na asset tracing eka ho ene da screen so no enti so obi awia wo man ya for man ya japade bi ni ade bi ni we ya ye betumi atrace ni a recover sika ye be recover afei wo be prosecute corruption cases no any corruption related cases na wa investigate or investigate and no prosecute. That's how it's supposed to be. Eti we normal mako nan a OSP na dwuma ni nyina so pa no 4 normative areas na dwuma obedi no so obehwe secretary predream kankan no emaso na afenso obi wiaye a obehwe so obedi akire na yatumi anya yesika bibia onipa no awia na afenso aye nhwehwemu afa krono ketase predream kankan de bebo oman na wodi agina mra no na ohwe OSP a efiri afim pinu ene aduonu ede eba no cases ya ohyase a wa initiate a ohwe se yemra ene wombedi no 2020 na ye 2 2021 na ye 2 uba Facebook edawo 2022 13 eduhwe a continuously ensemo a all handle no kosra kire wo se ketase hye predwim kankan no enhye da nyaade a yetu ase in 2025 ni cases a we initiate nko ehuri ko 70 from 27 in 2024 na eno kire wo se OSP adwuma no wa Kenya mu in 2025 ma me kram betra ha ebo na baso ka se ebre omo press ye ma office no yenyi mfiri ho no a ye de bill call parliament se omo kohwe se yenyi ade ni mfiri ho no amra se bedwafuo bi e de koto ho se omo pese yeyi free ho no adom kese no ba no dani ka ho no ne epie mu ne se OSP office no mampani na nkasa ka se yenyai no e ma no mere kakra enti o hyeye se omo nyi mfiri mra se bedwafie se de manfo pese yetwa sa office ni omo nyi sa asebri mfiri ho na office ne ntena ho ne ma no mere no mfa nya adwuma because ohra obo ne ho moden kakra edeba na enre beto dwa se high court order say Attorney General and take over all cases at OSP ekuremu o prosecute na enuachi mranimfo pinu akasa Professor Stephen Kwaku Asare ono constitutional lawyer o kire say high court no any to me so be strip OSP was sa powers nim. In fact NDC mrahye bedwani wo Medina Francis Xavier Susu, human rights lawyer. Ono nso kire se one court no decision no enya adwene. Ni nyina ne da ho no. One court no decision no enya adwene. Because ye kone saa e be dan na stop corruption amaye. Na mehwe we nyina no na eye mesere sanse enye ne na OSP office no a eba no. Amanyofo no ani anye ho. The office of the special prosecutor no a threat to politicians. That's the fact. Office of the special prosecutor a threat to politicians. Enuntina yewura Martin Amidu. Osha asese odi dwuma no, eduru baabi no. Na akoye den because politicians no obstructing no. Omu mpese obetumi etu na namo edi ne dwuma. A first special prosecutor. Enu echi ejaben ba yi ono nso yire ne ho se o go after politicians corrupt cases ahodo bi eyeyi. Enu so nya atamfo bebre including abanya no wo so saa abre no kura no a ye dey appointing no no. Me say office of the special prosecutor no. The politicians hate the office. The politicians don't want any office independent of government. Office ya ebeba ensha aban se aban betimi control no. Sa office no politicians empe. Edunti omo hyase 4 months ago no omo pese ya abolish this office in December. Omo hyase abolish OSP, give its powers to AG. Uba both majority and I'm there to Facebook no. Both majority and minority caucus in parliament. Omo call for say yen scrap the office. No. They called for say yen scrap the OSP office. Minority ni majority nyina. Majority leader okasa sabre Mahama Yariga. Osi yemfa powers ni nyina emfa ma attorney general. Now Jeff, go forward for me. The next person original minority caucus nenim kasaye eye Kojo Oponkroma. They also called for say yen OSP office nim free ho. When it comes to fighting corruption ketasese predream kankan mamen kaneti asese amanyofo na ni nye ho. Because e ho no omunya bidi. Omunya kwan entimi nwia wo man no. Because obi abenya appointment akakra obetumi awia enihia no. The entire maker say in the first instance was parliament. Your legal committee was parliament. One more share mremusha se mrebia ye beji atum no. Ebetimi adi ne dwuma se de esene fata ne de aboa wo man no ne nsusu ya etachide no etimi abam. The big question is that enhwehwemu papa ben ni nimdie papa ben ye de to ho a ye ntimi ehunu se OSP act no a ye gi atum wo mrahye bedwafie no. Ebema OSP ni ntimi nde ne ho kra based on said the act no esitie no. Because your mind constitution article 88 no ekire say prosecutions nyina kwadu bo nyina ye de betu obi aso wo man mu no etwa say attorney general ene di animu aban lawyer aban no ne lawyer ene di animu ne lawyer pani ene mutumi nyina kura no enti so obi so bebo kwadu a oman no mra kunyini no article 88 ne kire say eso ogi ni tumi free aban lawyer pani aso ye ho authorization from the attorney general. In fact, Jeff Fatusumami article 88 no. Na sana enono che. Eti achira will say no matter this office this one. Eti article 88 Osha 3 no. Or say the attorney general shall be responsible for the initiation and conduct of all prosecutions of criminal offenses. 4 no say all offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall be at the suit of the attorney general or any other person authorized by him in accordance with any law. Any law. In accordance with any law, including the OSP Act. As what Jini to me free attorney general. For OSP Act nanga sabremi. The mandate of the office no. 4 no. Or say, except as otherwise provided in the Constitution, the OSP is not subject to the direction or control of a person or an authority in the performance of the functions of the office. And he except say what Ghana your Constitution you must say or Jini to me free ubi ho ana ubi eshan echere de wonye no. OSP ni betumi aye. Ono an adwuma wo bre ubi a enhye no. There's a clause there. It is a way mra kuni ni mu say eso ogi office bi agi ni tumi di free attorney general ho dia na say OSP no and shadanya so much independence said your politicians ni penti di kire ye no. 2 no was subject to clause 4 of article 88 of the Constitution and was cite 1. The office shall for the purposes of this act be authorized by the Attorney General to initiate and conduct the prosecution of corruption and corruption-related offences. Eti we sa mansotwe na we na mentiase na ene da na ye clear. OSP na act no ewum. Enti won say politicians ne sheda penti ade ne kire say as OSP no ebede ne ho kra. And omo head dade ye kokoasa saa na eduru ba bi no mu say OSP no afedie abeye threat dia ma omo no omo pekwan na yi saa office of the special prosecutor na free was simple. Me say wo man we wo see eti hwani na sem OSP to me no eni ni nsem na motimi ahwenyame ani mu abeka kire say OSP no wode ne ho on show obi ase obi an control no. Meanwhile politicians are more passes saa bill no act we no muhu wo mu say mandate of the office of the special prosecutor, the mandate of the special prosecutor no section 4 no ewom say obeji to me be a attorney general ba mu penti no said ye beji adi say as ebeye bibi sonko e de amaye entiene Dr. Dominic Ayine mu amoka say ene na o hyase e tata OSP no time omo ye act we Ayine e raise ye said the omo ye no so omo anya amendment bia entimi nya adwuma ene ne ono abey attorney general no wa say enforce say na say mo kan dada no obehwe say be ye adwuma say OSP ni ntimi nya tumi bia age say ya amende mra ne bi and Oman constitution is supreme than any other law. It is say baby ye gina no de office of the special prosecutor no se koba ne say ye gini tumi a ono ade ne pe ebetu anamo ede nkrofo a wo mabọ man kro no ketasese program kankan ede wo makogina mra no ye gi say tumi ni de a na ne emfaso woni su say office no betena ho because already no ye so many offices or more investigations iyoko ho shraj ho even cry police if we dey see omu nyina ye nhwehwemu. But special prosecutor nkwan ye shed diamond special powers and there's all stripping of that power ne dia na emfaso woni so say besi ho. Some politicians enti sa ban lawyer no a ono wa ban ni mu no o kan ban ne ho no ono no be control OSP dia, then how independent would that office be? Sa ban lawyer penny ono no so NDC ni appointing or MPP ni appointing no ono na ebe control office of the special prosecutor access a case we dey me sanction fako we dey yifrim we dey yeni say dia na ne ekwan ese ebe ko kata hyeche no emfaso be na wo so. We are not serious. We are not serious. Me say politicians. So omo dada ye ni ahye da painting white ni dey abekere enso be wi asire no. Ubebie so no emutum sense amampo mu ayo ano ho hyenhyenhyen ubebie akiri no emutum. That is how this has become very worrying. Na me ra ho wo mem at this moment se mrache bedwafo etrans ye legal committee mo ye act we no mandate no 4 na ewo ho no mo hu o section 4 na wahwehwe de ewo mu a divisions na wahu se ampa ye de ni tumi no bi akoshe attorney general say obetu just wo authorization but ye hwe ya ma ne koye ene ye preach or ye independent ni eboa ti sesi ye ka se politicians no wo mu akromfo a ana wo mu adadaafo a boni ben yae edin krona yetimu no se be kɔ de nimpa no agye se ye kompo ye kasa se ya na ye kompo ba abuzu yamba na makodi nkomo.